Hi friends, it's Claudia. Father's Day is almost here and I didn't want to miss an opportunity to show you 5 very practical gift ideas that I found for under $50. Also, I want to show you a couple of DIYs that anyone can do. If you're a guy or a girl, you can make this. And I know for sure that is gonna like it. Oh, this smells so good. So these are flowers on Father's Day. These are made of jerky beef and different type of sausages, and you can embellish it however you want to. And then the next one, another favorite of pretty much any man, roses made of bacon.
Bacon! Where's the bacon? Bacon! Oh boy, no. It's bacon!
Especially if the person in your life is into the keto diet. So let's start with the 5 gift ideas, and after that we're gonna go have some fun in the kitchen. The first gift idea for that is one of my favorites. It's a solar radio. I like the price. It has almost 5 stars. It is not just a radio, but also a flashlight and a power bank. And it can be charged in 4 different ways actually by solar, hand cranked or USB cable, or with 3 AAA batteries. It doesn't come with the batteries, but you can purchase them. I also like the fact that it comes with an extra tool. It's a survival tool that has a compass, a whistle, and even a fire starter. This is a really neat gift for that. The second gift idea is an insulated bottles carrier. It has almost 5 stars, and you can carry a 6-pack of beer bottles. You can even stretch it and carry cans of beer if you want to, or water bottles. I like this because it's made of non-toxic material, the same material that is used to make wetsuits. It doesn't soak up water. Let's say that you take it to the beach. You can keep drinks cold up to 4 hours. The third item is the blue light blocking glasses. They score 4 stars, and of course it filters the blue rays, and the lenses are made of polycarbonate, which is a very strong material. It's shatterproof. And the fourth suggestion is beard grooming and trimming. And I think this can be used not only if he has a beard, but maybe a mustache, or maybe to cut the hairs coming out of the ears. A lot of guys have hairs coming out of the ears, especially when they become older. I really like the presentation, the packaging of this gift. Also, I love that it's organic. And the last gift idea for that is a set of smart plugs. These are becoming more and more popular because they're so efficient. It has 4 stars, and it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. You can set timers, share with other family members, or create different schedule for different appliances. It has a lot of ways to customize. And the size of this, unlike other plugs similars, is very nice because it's small and it doesn't cover the other outlets. Those are 5, in my opinion, very practical gift for any dad, and all of them are priced under $50, which makes them very affordable. Time to go to the kitchen. To start, you want to cut the tips of the beef stick and then cut the whole stick in half. Then with the toothpick, stab it right on top of the beef stick, and then continue to stick toothpick around the beef stick, because the toothpick will be the ones who put in the petals made of Dad's favorite meats. And after you have all the toothpick around the beef stick, you want to start folding the pieces of meat and securing them to the toothpick. You can fold the meat any way you like. The idea is to bunch them up at the top of the beef stick. And once you have them all bunched up and it looks full at the top, you want to put them in the oven for just a couple minutes, because all of this is already cooked. You just want it to be a little bit crisp. The temperature should be set at around 400 degrees. And again, just a couple minutes would do the trick. For the final step, I took them to the sink and I sprayed them with food coloring. You don't have to do this, but I wanted them to look red, like roses. And there you have it, a beautiful bouquet of red flowers. They smell good, and even better, they taste delicious. First, I got these roses from the Dollar Tree, and what you want to do is to get one of the stems and pull the rose like this, and you want to keep the base of it, because the base is what is going to hold the bacon in place once it's done. Then the most difficult part comes, getting the bacon out. Smells so delicious. You can make it with uncooked bacon, and I think it would be easier to work with because it's more flexible. But I did it with cooked bacon, which is going to shorten the time in the oven. So the bacon has a fatty side and a meaty side. Let's call it that way. So you just want to roll it up, and once it's all rolled up, you want to use toothpicks and pierce it through the fatty side. And I did like a cross pattern, so one toothpick was going one direction, and the other toothpick going the other direction. That way it's going to give it more stability once it's laying on the cooking sheet. So keep doing this for as many roses as you want to make. I did 12. So on my cooking sheet, I place a piece of foil because it's easier for me to clean up afterwards. And then I place all my bacon rose buds on the cooking sheet and just roll away until you have the amount of roses that you want. As you roll away, do not feel ashamed if you fall into temptation, because you will. Just be discreet and stuff your mouth away. Once you're done rolling your bacon roses, just put them in the oven and set the timer for maybe 2 minutes at about 400 degrees. and they will come out crispy. Once the bacon is ready, it is time to put it in the base of the roast, then pass it through the stem. Any extra stem at the top just needs to be cut. And the final step is to put the bouquet together. You may use almost anything to tie the roses together. I chose this satin ribbon that I felt it was appropriate for the occasion. And voila! The result is a beautiful bouquet of bacon roses, just for that. Father's Day, and I encourage you to keep at it. It is a hard job, and thank you for all that you provide, your efforts and your presence.